Welcome to Friendly Money, building financial independence for beginners. If you are a young adult just starting out, fresh out of school, renting your first apartment, or grinding away at that entry-level job, if you haven't already, you'll quickly learn life throws curveballs at you from time to time. For example, car repairs or medical bills you didn't even see coming. Life is unpredictable, stressful, and expensive. But here's some good news. An emergency fund can help protect you against life surprises. Today, I will explain exactly how much you need in the 2026 economy, best and worst places to keep your emergency fund, and how to build it even if you're starting from zero. Before we dive in, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This content is for educational and informational purposes only and is based on U.S. banking rules. This video does not constitute professional, financial, investment, or legal advice. Always do your own research or consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Sources are linked in the description. Thank you. An emergency fund is your personal financial safety net. It's money set aside for unexpected, necessary expenses. For example, medical bills, car repairs, job loss, urgent travel. An emergency fund is not for things such as concert tickets, new clothes, impulse Amazon buys. The purpose of an emergency fund is to help keep you from going into debt when life happens. How much should you save? Let's break this down for real life in 2026. The classic advice is to save enough cash to cover 3 to 6 months worth of essential expenses. For example, rent or mortgage, groceries, transportation, utilities, minimum debt payments, insurance. For beginners, let's start with a small goal, $1,500 to $2,500. Why, you may ask? Well, basically, this is a helpful starting cushion for emergencies. For intermediate level, build towards your first 3 months of expenses. This is good if you have a stable income and no dependents. For advanced level, aim for 3 to 6 months or more, especially if you're self-employed, your income is unpredictable, and/or you support others. Pro tip: don't get overwhelmed trying to hit 6 months immediately. Start small, then grow. Where should you keep your emergency fund? Your emergency fund needs 2 things: easy access and safety. Let's go through your best options. Offered by many online banks and credit unions, a high-yield savings account is a top choice for most people. Why? Your money stays liquid, which means it's easy to withdraw in case of an emergency. Typically pays significantly more than a regular savings account. In the United States, it's typically FDIC insured or NCUA insured at credit unions. A money market account is similar to a savings account, but they may offer competitive rates and limited check writing or debit access. Where not to keep it? Avoid putting your emergency fund in stocks or crypto, because these are for growing wealth, not protecting it. Long-term investments like long-term CDs and fixed annuities. Retirement accounts like 401ks or an IRA, because these are not specifically designed for emergencies. In some cases, you may pay a 10% penalty and income taxes for early withdrawals. Your emergency fund is not for growth. It's for protection from some of life's little mishaps. How to build it fast? Let's make this practical. Step 1. Automate it. Set up automatic deposits into your emergency fund. Even small amounts like $25 add up over time. Step 2. Use Windfalls. For tax refunds, bonuses, cash gifts, etc., it's recommended that you deposit at least 50% of this money straight into your emergency fund to help accelerate the process. Pro tip: Keep your emergency fund in a separate account from your spending money. This reduces temptation. When to use it? Ask yourself, is it unexpected? Is it necessary? Is it urgent? If yes to all three, then you can use your emergency fund. If not, pause. Is it ever too much? If you have more than 9 to 12 months of cash sitting there, you may want to consider balancing it with other financial goals. But for now, focus on that first month. Remember, your emergency fund isn't an investment. It's insurance for your peace of mind. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll get there. Also, don't forget to update, because as your expenses grow, your emergency funds need to grow too. Question: what's your savings goal for this year? Let me know in the comments. Here's what you learned today. An emergency fund is your financial safety net for real emergencies only. Save 3 to 6 months of essential expenses, more if your income is unpredictable. Keep it in a high-yield savings account or a money market account. Automate your savings and build from there. We hope you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.